In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get unbanned on PayPal. So, getting unbanned from PayPal can be challenging, especially if your account has been permanently limited or banned. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the most common and most practical things that you guys could do to attempt to get your account back. So, PayPal typically imposes such restrictions due to violations of their terms of service, suspicious activity, or failure to comply with their policies. So, number one, you got to check the reason why you were banned. So, check your email. PayPal usually sends a notification explaining why your account was limited or banned. Look for phrases such as violation of acceptable use policy or high risk activity to understand the case. And you really want to go ahead and read your email and figure out what was the problem. And also, I recommend that you guys go ahead and look for the PayPal Resolution Center, which is right over here. So you will need to go ahead and log in with your PayPal account. But essentially, this is the place where you're able to report problems. You're able to report unauthorized transactions. You're basically able to get PayPal's attention. So that is definitely one thing that you guys can go ahead and take a look at. Now, here's some common reasons why your account was banned, by the way. I feel like it's really important that you guys know. Number one is creating an account under 18, suspected fraud or unauthorized transactions, selling prohibited items, excessive disputes or chargebacks, or linking a previously banned account or payment method on PayPal. Okay, but guys, another thing that I recommend you guys do is actually try to contact the PayPal customer service. So here's a phone number in America. The phone number might be different depending on your country. So you just want to go to any web browser and then just look up PayPal customer service, and then it should tell you the number for your country. So basically, you want to call this number and you basically want to be polite and be prepared to explain your situation clearly. Remember, guys, just make sure to be patient because these are people at the end of the day working at the call centers and stuff like that. So it's really important that you always remain respectful. Don't just go ahead and curse or let your anger out on those people, guys. But basically, you want to explain to them clearly your situation, explain why you shouldn't be banned and stuff like that, and try to cite like the PayPal terms of service. And basically, you want to use everything to your advantage. But guys, there is actually another method that we can do, and that is by using social media. So PayPal is available on platforms such as X. So over here, we do have the official Ask PayPal account, and this is basically the customer service. So you need to go ahead and send a tweet to this account over here in order to actually get assistance. So if you look at the replies of the Ask PayPal account, you'll notice that they frequently talk with users who are experiencing issues and stuff like that. So this is definitely a route that you guys can go ahead and take. But whatever you guys do in order to actually appeal the ban, make sure you write a concise professional letter or message explaining your case. Make sure to include evidence like receipt, tracking info, or proof of compliance. And obviously, you want to go ahead and submit it, whether it be through the PayPal support team, the Resolution Center, or on Twitter. The point is, you want to go ahead and just be respectful and, of course, be professional. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.